Since I'm the cool kid, I'm gonna go first, okay? Okay. Duck, duck, duck. Did you just cough? I'll talk to him. Hey, some of the kids think that it would be best if you don't play with us. I mean, no hard feelings, right? Don't touch me. Excuse me, you sick lardo. Did you not hear us tell you can't touch anything? Like, yeah, I know. I'm about to be 8 years old. That's like, excuse me, can you not breathe the same air as us? Excuse me, why are you touching things? You're gonna infect oh my god, you're useless. Oh, I touched the sick kid! I touched the sick kid! Stay away from me. Oh, Jesus! Oh, no. I'm sick.